Bentayga has many features that make every occasion special, with its innovative event seat being a perfect example. The patented sliding and folding seat is trimmed in leather and finished with diamond quilting. You and your passengers can enjoy a grandstand view, shaded by the tailgate during the day or illuminated by the built-in stage lighting from above at night. This feature is available on both the 4 and 5 seat configurations. The Mulliner Driving Specification brings the Mulliner aesthetic to the interior of the Bentayga range as standard on Bentayga. This includes diamond-quilted seats, drilled sports pedals, embroidered Bentley emblems and a full choice of hide, carpet and interior color combinations. If you wish to go one step further, the Mulliner department offers a bespoke service that helps you create a Bentley that is completely unique to you. With its all-new W12 petrol engine, Bentayga has redefined what an SUV engine can do. The Bentayga 6.0-liter engine achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds, 0 to 100 km per hour 4.1 seconds, and accelerates to a top speed of 187 miles per hour, 301 km per hour, making it the world's fastest SUV. But Bentayga is not simply about speed. It has been designed for both performance and efficiency. This W12 petrol engine with variable displacement is the most technologically advanced 12-cylinder in the world with the best combination of power, torque and efficiency found in any SUV. It delivers 5 to 90% torque within 1.1 seconds, offering maximum torque at low engine speeds, which creates an effortless driving experience. The Bentayga's engine and gearbox are designed to operate in all off-road conditions, including lateral and longitudinal angles of up to 35 degrees. Stop-start technology is available for the first time on a Bentley. Combined with the variable displacement system, it means Bentayga can achieve fuel consumption of 21.6 miles per gallon, 13.1 liters/100 kilometers, and emissions of 296 grams/km. The engine also features the first ever combination of direct injection and port injection technologies in a production engine from Bentley. It switches seamlessly between the two to deliver the most efficient performance. The latest twin-scroll turbochargers have been engineered for optimum response, removing any hint of turbo lag. Your Bentayga includes a full leather-trimmed interior with a choice of 15 standard colors for hides and carpets. You can choose between 5 standard colors splits, including a new duotone color split to add a sporting touch to Bentayga's seats.